not true. I have this on.
Driver's license and insurance.
You see how the wife's looking away?
You plan on calling us today?
No, you're not going to kill you, okay?
I'm an American.
Wait, what did he say? What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be watching Man Rips Up Cash over Seatbelt Ticket. Anywho, this video was uploaded 8 hours ago. It'll probably be uploaded tomorrow. It has 400k views already, and it's by Code Blue Cam. So make sure you guys check out their video, the original one. And let's get into this video.
1st, 2022. Racine County Sheriff's deputies observed the driver of a vehicle not wearing his seatbelt in Raymond, Wisconsin. As part of the Sheriff's Office Click It or Ticket campaign, a traffic stop was initiated.
Click it or ticket?
As the deputies were pulling him over, they observed the 36-year-old male driver hastily putting on his seatbelt.
Oh, he's eating. See that? Oh, you gonna point at me? 5-3 Wisconsin traffic.
It's cringe when they see him. That's cringe. He tries to hide it.
Hi there. I'm Deputy Ortiz with the Racine County Sheriff's Office. Stop because your seatbelt isn't on, and we're actually out. You put it on when we were pulling up behind you. I watched you.
That's not true.
And he looked.
Your body was fully leaned forward, sir, when you took the turn
I
on.
watched you put it on. We're not going to argue about a $10 seatbelt ticket.
Hey, it's right here.
It's only $10? I thought it was like usually when they make a saying after a ticket, it's usually some kind of like expensive ticket. But it's only $10?
Driver's license.
He probably risked up $10 in front of them.
And he
Your
looked.
body was fully leaned forward, sir, when you took the turn
I
on.
watched you put it on. We're not going to argue about a $10 seatbelt ticket.
Hey, it's right here.
Okay, driver's license and insurance, okay?
I'm not giving you nothing. It's not.
Driver's license and insurance, sir. You're going to make this more difficult than it has to be. Your driver's license and insurance, sir.
Do you see this?
Sir, do you want to be
When you
forcibly
drove
removed
past
from
me,
the
you
vehicle?
were not wearing your seatbelt.
That's not true. I have this on.
Driver's license and insurance,
You see how
sir.
the wife's looking away?
You plan on calling us today?
No, you're not going to kill you, okay?
I'm an American.
Wait, what did he say?
That's not true. I have this on.
Driver's license and insurance, sir.
Are you planning on calling us today?
No, you're not going to kill you, okay?
I'm an American. I have my seatbelt.
Well, that's great to know, okay? You were not wearing a seatbelt when you drove past me. We saw you putting it on while we were behind you. You can argue this all day long and make this even worse for yourself. Otherwise, just give us your ID and the insurance, sir.
What do you want my money?
At this point, it's like, what's the point? $10? Over $10?
Driver's license and insurance, sir.
I like your glasses.
You're making a big driver's license and
he's
insurance,
weird.
sir. You're making a bigger deal out of this than it has to be.
Weird.
For my seatbelt being
Yes.
on?
Yep.
Why? I have my seatbelt
You have a
on.
traffic
What
violation.
I have?
Your seatbelt was not on, sir. So can you have your
Just drag him through the window, and then he'll give you his stuff,
Driver's license
his
and
insurance and stuff like that.
What's your-
You just gotta drag him out the
I have my
window
seatbelt
because he doesn't understand
That's
clearly.
right.
Abruptly, he became erratic and started to destroy his possessions, such as his
Oh,
sunglasses and the money in his wallet.
I want to see them beeping though.
Because I watched you put them on, sir. Now please put them on, or I'm going to ask you to step out of the vehicle. And when I do so, that's a lawful order.
Just step
If
out
I
of the
have to, I
vehicle,
can
bro.
forcibly remove you from the vehicle, sir. All right?
Yep, okay, he's done.
Yeah.
$150 fucking glasses.
Oh, but you can't
that's
pay
your
$10.
problem.
$10 you can't pay.
Hey, you're acting like a child right
You want
now.
my money? Here.
Bro, they will let him reach for stuff. That's crazy. That's crazy.
All right?
Broke my glasses.
Even the wife was
Like that?
surprised when he broke.
$150
Like she's gonna look
glasses.
over.
Oh, that's your problem. Hey, you're acting like a child right
You want
now.
my money? Here.
You're acting like a child. I want your driver's license and your insurance.
Oh, now
Everything
she's
I
talking.
have. Here's my money. Here's my
You're
money.
acting like a child, sir.
Here's my card. Here's
I think
everything.
that's actually over $10. If you look at it,
You're
hold
acting like a
up.
child. I want your driver's license and your insurance.
Here's everything I have.
That's definitely more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. That might be exactly $10, and that's what he was fighting over.
Here's my money. Here's
It
my
might
money.
be his
acting like a
last dollars,
child,
though. It
sir.
might be his
My
last
card,
dollars.
Everything.
Your driver's license, sir. Hand it
My
to me.
money. Take my money. Take this.
Oh
too.
my!
Take that.
Your
too.
driver's license, sir.
You're just destroying all my stuff. Ruining my holiday.
Nah, no way she's picking it up. No way she's picking it up. Look at her pick it up. She's like,
Your
babe.
driver's license, sir.
Look at that. That's
Destroying
crazy.
all my stuff. Ruining my holiday. You give me something I'm doing. Ripping up the money.
Wait, that was a
$500
5.
of my fucking family.
That was a 5. No way, I should throw 5.
Yeah.
You give me something I'm doing.
That was
Ripping
a
up the
5
money.
that
I spent
fell.
$500 of my fucking family.
That's great.
Driver's
Driver's license, sir.
No.
Are you intoxicated, sir?
Bullshit.
What kind of drugs are you on, sir?
Well, here's a, you need this too. We'll just rip that up too.
Wait, what
kind of
did
drugs are you on, sir?
Wait, what
kind of
did
drugs are you on, sir?
Well, here's a, you need this too.
Rips his social security card?
We'll just rip that up too.
What kind of drugs are you on, sir? Your driver's license.
Go get it. Take it. Take whatever
I'm not
you want.
going into your vehicle, sir.
Take my
Can I have your
tire
driver's license, please?
We'll rip all this up too. Got enough down. Here, take this.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Yeah, so you can take
So
my
he
money.
still handed
Take
it to
my
him.
money.
Remain in the vehicle, sir. I'll be back
Take
up
my
with
money.
you, okay?
Look, I have my seatbelt
Yo.
on. You take my fucking money. That's bullshit. My
What
seatbelt's
is
on and they're accusing me of something. That's bullshit.
What the
Can't
fuck?
ever enjoy life anymore around here without being harassed and accused of something. I have my fucking seatbelt on.
Yo, he's crazy. He's
You give
crazy.
me a ticket, you pull
He's
up on me, I have my
crazy.
seatbelt on. That's exactly what's happening. Yeah, $135 fucking glass metal break it. Might as well just fucking start dumping on my blood right now and give him that too.
What's the situation? This dude's freaking out because we stopped him for a seatbelt and he put it on when we were behind him. Like literally freaking out. He's tearing up money and he's freaking out. So if you just want to go up there with him while I run him out real quick. and you show him
He's
this
laughing. Look at
citation.
his
You just want to go up there
face.
with him while I run him out real quick. and you show him this
Right here.
This dude's
Look at his
freaking out
face.
because we
Look at
stopped
his
him for a
face. He's
seatbelt and we put it
laughing.
on when we were behind him. Like literally freaking
Look
out.
at
He's
that.
tearing up money and he's freaking out. So if you just want to go up there with him while I run him out real quick. and you show him this citation.
Yo, this gotta be one of the funniest videos on the channel, I think.
Because I have my seatbelt on, these people pull me over.
He's still
I
arguing
don't
about
have my
it?
seatbelt on. It's right here, I can see it. I can taste it.
Do you realize how you're acting right now? Irrational.
I can
It's upsetting to me.
Upsetting to you that you drove past me without a seatbelt
That's a
on.
crock of bullshit. Did you
Okay.
know that? Don't give me that.
Crock of bullshit.
He's tearing up cash in his car and throwing it all over the place.
I have my seatbelt on, and you're giving me a ticket for my seatbelt
You do
being
not
on.
have your seatbelt on.
My seatbelt's on, you give me a ticket. You're taking my goddamn thing, you're giving me a ticket for my damn seatbelt
You
on.
do not have a seatbelt on.
My seatbelt is on.
Wow.
When you pull up to the stop, my seatbelt is on.
It was not on.
It
It was
is
on
on.
when we pulled up because
It's
you put
been
it on
on
when you got on the intersection.
That's not true.
At this point, I wouldn't even argue with him. Just literally just
That's
stand
not
there and
true.
just look at how
My seatbelt's on.
weird he's being.
My seatbelt is on. You pulled up to the traffic stop.
Well, yeah, you had it on.
My seatbelt is on.
Hey, let me ask you something. So if I drive past you, right, and I don't have my seatbelt on, and then you get behind me and I put my seatbelt on, does that mean you have
That's
it on?
not true. I'm not
that's
admitting
what
guilt
it
to
is.
anything. My seatbelt
Okay,
is
you don't
on.
admit any guilt.
And
I
you're
saw
giving
you
me-
do it.
I can't afford
At
a
least
fucking
he's
$10
smart
seatbelt
enough
ticket
not
for no
to.
reason.
Well, you could have afforded it, but you ripped your money out.
Those cash sheets are $10.
He had like a bunch of singles and stuff. He freaked out. I thought I was gonna have to drag him out of the car.
Because that's all it is.
I
All
told
they
you
do
to,
is
bro. I
collect
told you to do
revenue
it
from the state.
earlier.
That's all it is. Collecting revenue. I got my seatbelt on. I'm getting in trouble for having my seatbelt.
She's
$10
putting her
seatbelt
seatbelt on
ticket. It's like it's
too.
the end of the world.
My seatbelt's on. I shouldn't be getting a ticket. I got my seatbelt on.
We should just arrest him for obstructing, being an ass about it.
Look, I got my seatbelt on.
Wow.
Look at him, yeah.
It's on.
We watched him put it on after he turned behind him, and then he's like yelling in the fucking mirror and stuff.
Bullshit. That's not right. That's not right. I won't do that to your
Over
phone.
$10?
I can't hear you because of motorcycles.
Yeah, I won't do that
Yo,
to your
he's trolling them.
supposed to be enjoying the holiday and everything else, man. And here I'm being harassed on my birthday weekend. Being harassed. Getting in trouble for having my seatbelt on.
You guys call it.
Bro, if he
Wrong
pulls it
day.
out one more
He
time,
just spent $500
pause.
on his family.
Like, if he
probably
pulls
bought some
out his-
illegal fireworks. Should ask him to see his permit.
If he pulls his
It's gonna be like those
seatbelt out
agencies
one more
that
time.
confiscate fireworks.
Yeah.
And then take pictures of it like it's a big drug caper.
Yeah.
The body camera's on, right?
What's on? It's been recording this whole entire
Good,
thing.
because I'm going to sue your ass.
Okay.
Okay.
Sue me for a seatbelt
Yep.
because you weren't wearing it.
I'm suing you guys because I can't legally do that.
You can
can't
legally
sue
do it.
the public,
You
but I
can.
Take your money privately, take you to court. I can do that.
Okay.
I can do that. That's a true
Wow.
fact.
Okay.
My seatbelt's on, body camera. You give me a ticket with my seatbelt on. You walked up with your camera onto my vehicle with the recording that my seatbelt is on.
Yes. Or when you drove
And your
past me.
vehicle was
crazy.
facing straight. You don't got side cameras on those cars. You're accusing me of something I didn't do. My seatbelt. $10.
Okay.
That $10 you're gonna break.
Well, you just
Wait,
tore
what
your
did he
money
say?
up, so.
On those cars, you're accusing me of something I didn't do. My seatbelt. $10.
Okay.
That $10 you're gonna break.
Well, you just tore your money up, so.
Can't hear him.
Pissed off because I shouldn't be getting in trouble for something that I have my seatbelt on.
Oh, Scott's got him calm down now.
You're supposed to look both ways too when you're looking before you pull out, and that's what I was doing.
guys are bored. Well, it is. You guys are bored. You got nothing else better to do. Like you're up to the state.
It is for his safety as well. That's the thing.
On, though. I do have my seatbelt on.
I know, you have it on now. So when you drive away, too, I hope you keep it on, too.
He's trolling him.
That's why it's on.
He
is
trolling him.
This is a law in Wisconsin. That's why you get a citation for not wearing it when you pull onto the interstate.
Give me a citation on camera for someone that you pull up on a stop and have your seatbelt on.
Yo, how does she live with him though? Like, look at that. She's like, oh, once it's happening once again. She looks like this is. She looks like she's been living with it her whole life, being with him.
Freaking out over a $10 ticket.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. He spent $500 on his family, dude.
Yeah.
It's gonna be 2 against 1 in the courtroom. It's gonna be you and your buddy.
I mean, he could bring his wife or his girlfriend as a witness.
How are you gonna give someone a ticket for saying that they don't have something on when they have it on? You can't do that. My seatbelt is on like it's supposed to be. Give me a ticket. For me having my seatbelt on. I'm getting a ticket for having my seatbelt on. It's not right. You guys aren't being cordial at all. You're being tyrants. I just spent $500 on stuff for the family. And here I leave a place and these guys are staged up harassing people.
Yo, he's crazy. He's actually crazy. Let's see if he like rips up a ticket as well.
My seatbelt's on.
Here's your information back, all right?
My seatbelt's on.
I'm issuing you a citation for failure to wear your seatbelt. All right.
It's on. Is your body camera on? I got my seatbelt on, you know. It's been on.
I'm happy it should have been on before you left.
It was on.
Damn.
It's $10, all right?
$10 could have
Yeah. And you're freaking out over $10.
$10.
Yep, because we're doing a click it or ticket campaign. That's why we're out here.
If you take some of your money together, maybe that'll help you out with that.
All right. Non-mandatory court date of August 11th.
Yo, he is hilarious. But like, it's funny from our POV, but he must be so triggered.
We're out here.
If you take some of your money together, maybe that'll help you out with that.
All right. Non-mandatory court date of August 11th, 2022.
How is he not laughing,
County
though?
Circuit
You want
Court that's in
$10,
downtown
I'll give you
Racine.
$10.
We don't post bond here, all right? You pay on it
Damn.
before the court date. If you choose to pay, you pay online, in person, or by mail. Information on the bottom of the citation as well as on the bond envelope.
She's counting the cash and still has $10.
Okay. You have any
That's
questions?
crazy.
No.
All right. Make sure you're buckled up before you leave next time, sir.
Now he's all
All
good.
right. Be safe.
You got good eyes.
Enjoy your weekend.
Oh, I think, you know what it was? I don't think he heard that the ticket was $10. Because the way he was all alright with it when it was $10, when he heard again that it was $10, he was kind of fine with it. So maybe he didn't hear it was $10. Damn. Oh, it's just going to be muted audio.
You're good to go. Drive safe. Buckle up.
Wow.
In the end,
yeah, let's
the
see the
male
citation.
driver was given the $10
Oh, just
traffic
$10.
citation for vehicle operator failure to wear a seatbelt, which he paid the following month.
Month? God
Head over to
damn. Following month is crazy. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop a like, subscribe, and let me know. Would you guys pay a $10 ticket or would you guys fight over like this guy? I'll see you guys in the next video.
Now it's my time. I gotta make up for all them nights that my mama cried. I'm going in, I'm putting everything on the line. Dropped out of school to chase my dream. I had something for the pro. I put my all into this shit, man. I can't fucking lose. They smile up in my face, but they don't know what I've been through.